Hey, what's up guys? Hope everyone doing well. And today I'm gonna show you for this the gimbal, the brand called Hohem. So that gimbal, I'm gonna show you this 3-in-1. You can use for your mirrorless camera. You can use for your cell phone, smartphone, Android, and you can use for action camera as well. So let me look. I'm just trying to unboxing that. I'll show you. This iSteady Multi is the market price. It shows their website is $145 and there's a weight is 530 gram include the battery. Maximum payload is 400 gram. That's the actual gimbal.
Just make sure you just remove that part, this one, the plastic.
You can see. And this come with that.
It's also you can support like iPhone or Android, and action camera. The GoPro Hero series include 9 mirrorless camera Sony. That includes is the iSteady Multi, the quick release plate, smartphone holder, Hexon wrench, thumb screw. You can find this two of that, and tripod, and Sony multi-camera control cable, carry cage. The working time is it port for the 8 hours. Charging time like 3.5 hours. Working temperature like 10 to 45 degrees Celsius. But honest review that I can say, if my Insta360 like the GoPro or something, it's not like balancing much. It's not sometimes it's like getting noise, like the shaking with that moving controlling with the gimbal. Just it's my point of view. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment below, I'll try to answer for it. I have upcoming video about that Hohem iSteady V2. Let's see which one you can like more. But let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to answer for it. Until then, peace.